there is a tornado. And it's really scary. Keep the camera on.
Like, what if we were upstairs and we had like no second to like come down? Like,
no. What if I had a 2-story in there? We were on the 2nd floor and the 1st floor just disappeared.
that would be
A conundrum.
I thought 1 stories were safer. That would definitely be a dilemma, yes.
Conundrum. The lights went out and we're using this flashlight.
Ta-da! Wow. See her haircut? See my hair pink? So beautiful. So beautiful. Alright.
I'm gonna call Brett.
This is Brett talking.
There's a tornado in Trophy Club. Yeah, it showed it forming. It was cool. That's what my sister said.
We're on the highway. We can't even see it.
You're on the highway?
We're switching a snow cone.
What? Are you retarded? If you die,
I love you.
I love you.
Okay.